Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about how to develop a mobile application using Andromo.com. That is an Android application that you can upload to Google Play Store and you can publish it with Google Store listing. And after uploading to Google Store, it would take around 6 to 24 hours to publish it in the marketplace. Now let's take the example here. So this is the application developed from Andromo for 7boards.com. Now you see the screenshot here in Google Play Store. Now we first check the anatomy of this screen. The first part, this part where the 7boards and the sharing button is there, this is called action bar. This first screen is called the dashboard, and you see these latest articles about us, contact us, these are called activities. And you can see the background, gray background, this is called the background image. And this dashboard can be, you can see this one by one, these icons, this activity, this is called the classic look. You can have grid look, there are separate other looks as well. So this is called action bar. After action bar you can optionally put a header like this, and for every activity, every page, this header can be you can change this header, but we have not yet included header here right now, only the action bar, then the gray color background along with classic style for placing the activity. We have placed three activities here: latest article, about us, and contact us. And now this is for your ad revenue purpose. Andromo, the first application, first project is free in Andromo, but later you have to pay it and then you can run your own ad. Now if your app is popular, if your app is installed by many people, then you can earn certain percentage from your ad revenue. Now go to the next screen. This is called one activity. This is the contact us activity. Again, the action bar is same for every activity, every page, and you see the content of that particular activity here. And you see this is another page where the action bar is the same and you see the content is here. Now this thing we develop from Andromo. So we go to andromo.com. Now we can log in Andromo with our email ID and password. So we log into Andromo. Now you see this is your dashboard. Now you have to click create your new app. You can also check this video where they have clearly specified and given the instruction how to build your first Andromo app. Now we create a new app and you have to give the project a name. So we give it Felu Modok app, just Felu Modok. Now we go to Felu Modok. This is the website. This is a website for online suites. So we open this website. Now this is the website. This is the online products, offline products. They are selling sweets, different kind of Bengali sweets they are selling. So we have to develop this app for this Felu Modak. Now we give the name Felu Modak. We click on create. Now you see this, the app info. You don't have to do anything over here. Now category, you have to select this category. So you see if food is there or not. So we see here this is shopping. Now package name, you don't have to change it. Target market is Google Play, Android phones and tablets. This is right. And the version is 1.0 because this is the first version. We don't have to put any custom package name. This is not actually for the paid version, and we don't want to show the license agreement or launch note. Now this is the app icon. That means after installing this application to your mobile, to your tablet, this icon will be visible from your mobile screen. So you can change this icon with the file. So we would upload this file with the logo. So we put this icon here, we upload this. Now we put on save changes. Now after save changes, you can see that icon. So the icon should be fit into 192.192. So we have to go to Fellow Modok and we have to see this open image in new tab. So let's see this image. Let's download this image and we have to upload this. We downloaded it here. Now we go here, we have to upload this with the specified size. So we click on logo 1. So we click on logo1.png, we click on it and we again click on save changes. Now let's see how this looks like. Right now it would be looking like yes, it is showing your logo. Now the next thing is called the activities that we have discussed. These are called the activities. If you look at this screen, so these are called activities. So you have to add the activity. So let's build activity first with their contact. Now in the contact field, we name this activity as say contact. We put a description, say contact us. Now the position means this is the first position, and if you have different icons like this, 1 2 3, so position, first position is 100, second is 200, 300, like this way you can mark it. So we go to here and we need to put icon. You can put icon here or you can keep it as default. Now title is here, you have to put contact us and you put your email address. So from the website you can get their email ID and you can put it over there. So email ID you can put here. So you put your email ID, you put your website URL. So you put your website URL. So you put your website URL, you put your street address. So you put your street address over here. Now you put your street address. Now you put header image, that is optional. We are not put a header image. Now this is office and we put their phone number. So this is their phone number. So we put their phone number here. Now we don't need to give these numbers. So we click on save changes. Now this is one activity we have added. Similarly, you can add different other activities. So if you want to add a custom page, you click on the custom page. Now you go to their online products and you select the online product here. So these are the different online products you can see here and you can copy paste directly. So you copy paste these products, you can copy and you can go to custom page. You keep it buy online, your position is 200. This is the second position. You can click on this icon or you can put here this, you can put here these things and open links in external browser and you click on save changes. Now these are the two activities you have added. Similarly, you can add Facebook, their Facebook page. You can add their map listing. You can add their phone number directly. You can add their photo gallery. You can add their RSS feed. You can add their Twitter. You can add direct website there, and you can also add the YouTube channel. So these are the different activities you can add from Andromo. So and also you can design as I have shown you with the header, with the icons. So we have kept it just simple as a default, just to show you as example purpose here. Now you go to style section. You can change all these colors. You can put the action bar as dark and transparent, and you can also put the action bar logo image. Now here you can see this is the action bar logo we have put for 7 boards. So similarly you can put the action bar logo. If you don't put action bar logo, only the name would come as a project name like Felu Modok. So you can put the style over here And then if you go to dashboard, you can see the style. So this is your classic style, this is your list style, this is your button grid, this is your gallery. So any one of them you can select. So if we select, say, gallery from here, so we can select the gallery, and you can click on background image. Now what is background? This is called your background image. This is the gray color here. So you can put any background image. You can put your background image, you can select the file from here, and you can click on mirror, repeat, or not tiled. So if you select a big size image like this, so you don't put not tiled, you put not tiled. And if you upload a small image, you can keep it on repeat, and you can give also a mirror effect. So this is the and also a frosting effect to the background. So you can select them, and then you have to save it. Now the next part is, after you are done with this, now what you can do, you can go to the monetization part, but this is for the paid level, and you can select your preferred ad network, like see ad mob. These are all mobile ad revenue network you can join, and you can earn money if you are an app developer. So you can go to AdMob, you can go to Earpush, you can go to Amazon mobile ads, you can go to AppBrain, you can go to AppLovin, you can go to Leadbolt, you can go to Millennial Media, then Mobile Core, then Mob Partner, then Startup, then tab gauge, then interstitial ad settings are there. So you can put different kind of ad setup here, and you can earn revenue from here if you go with the Andromo paid module. And if you go to services, if you can want to track how many people they have downloaded your app and how many visits you are getting from your mobile app to your website, so you can put on enable analytics, and you can give your analytics ID code here, and you can save it. And the last part is that you have to build this application. You click on this build. Now what we have to do, you have to build your app. So we click on build your app. It would take around 5 to 10 minutes to build this app, and you would get an email uh, when the app is ready. Now what you need to do, you need to download it from your mobile browser, from your mobile, and you have to install it, and you have to check whether your application is looking fine or not, and then you need to edit it. Then again you go to list of projects, and you click on action, and then now it is building. But after it is built up, then you can again see the drop down, edit, remove, and you can again edit this, and again you can build it until and unless you are seeing you are satisfied with the look and feel. And then you download the APK file to your computer, to your system, and then upload it to your Google Play Developer Console. That earlier module we have discussed, Google Play Developer Console. And you go to that Google Play Developer Console, and here you have to upload that APK file, and you have to prepare your store listing. And after publishing to store listing, it would take around 6 to 24 hours to for this application to be available in the Google Android Play Store. So I hope you can create a nice app with Andromo, and no technical knowledge is required here. Uh, and we have already earlier discussed about phone gap, where some technical knowledge is required. Thank you.